What is a compound function? A function that is defined by more than one equation is called a compound function. For example, a function f of x, which is given by x squared, when x is less than 2 and is equal to 6, when x is equal to 2 and it will be 10 minus x, when x is greater than 2, and for x less than or equal to 6. Dear students, it is a function, which has been defined by 3 different equations with conditions. Therefore, it is called a compound function. Let us see graph of this compound function. Here we see that when x is less than 2, the function output is x squared, which is a parabolic shape, which is labeled as y is equal to x squared. When x is equal to 2, the output is 6. We see in the graph that in this case the graph is giving us just a single dot, which is y is equal to 6. And when the x value is greater than 2, and less than or equal to 6, then, it is giving us a straight line, y is equal to 10 minus x. Dear students, I hope that you understood it very well. Thank you.